How to change Instagram font. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Instagram font. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap Messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Currently we can see the Instagram font. So to change this, exit and open settings on your device. Tap display and brightness option. Scroll down, choose font. Currently it has been set to real choice. You can swipe to the left from the left to the right. Now select more to get access to the more font styles. Scroll down, choose any one of those and tap on apply button. Wait patiently until it has been applied. Exit from here, and once you open Instagram and go to the chat section, refresh the page and we can see that the Instagram font has been successfully changed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.